Most people use AI like a search engine. They type a question, they get an answer, they move on, and they wonder why they're not getting better results. But here's the truth. The difference between a beginner and an expert isn't knowledge. It's the ability to ask the right questions. It's knowing how to talk to AI so it actually understands what you want. I went from being that beginner to building full workflows in just 7 days. Not because I'm special, because I stopped treating AI like a robot and started treating it like a partner. Today, I'm sharing exactly what changed everything for me. Let me show you the 4 mindset shifts that took me from basic prompts to professional level AI usage. Stick around because shift number 4 is the one nobody talks about. Shift 1, context is king. Beginners give vague instructions. Write me a blog post. That's like telling a chef, make me food. You'll get something, but it won't be what you wanted. Experts give context. They say, I'm a marketing strategist writing for small business owners who are overwhelmed by email marketing. Write a 1,000-word post with practical tips, clear headings, and bullet points. Keep it simple. No jargon. See the difference? One sentence versus a full brief. That's the gap between amateur and pro. Shift 2. Roleplay transforms responses. Most people think AI is just a smart search engine. It's not. It's an actor that can become anyone you need. Gordon Ramsay, a patient teacher, a skeptical investor. When you give it a role, it embodies that role. Try this next time. You are a marketing mentor who has built 3 successful businesses. Walk me through your process for launching a new service. Be honest about challenges. Push me to think harder. The quality of answers jumps immediately. Specific roles create authentic responses. Shift 3, break things down. Beginners ask one giant question. How do I start a business? That's too big. The AI gives a shallow answer because it doesn't know where to focus. Experts break it down step by step. First, help me identify my expertise. Wait for my answer. Then we'll work on pricing, then marketing, then legal. This forces the AI to think methodically. It asks clarifying questions. It builds a custom roadmap instead of generic advice. I get 10 times more value using this approach. Shift 4, and this is the big one. Don't just accept the first answer. Beginners take whatever the AI gives them. Experts correct it. If the response is too technical, say rewrite this for someone who doesn't know marketing jargon. Use simple language. If it's too long, say cut this to 100 words. The AI isn't perfect on the first try, but it learns fast when you guide it. This is the most overlooked skill in prompt engineering. Now let me tell you one more secret. The best prompt engineers don't memorize hundreds of prompts. They understand these principles and apply them every time. Context, roleplay, breakdown, correct. That's it. Master these 4, and you can handle anything. I went from 0 to advanced in 7 days by focusing on these shifts, not by watching more tutorials, by applying one shift every day. Want to speed up your learning? Grab the exact prompt templates I use from the link in the description. They'll save you weeks of trial and error. Now go apply these shifts, and I'll see you in the next one.